What is Base44? Hey, I'm Julian and I asked myself the same question after seeing many of these ads from Base44 and I couldn't resist anymore. I had to try it out, but first I googled it and it's a crazy story. Like this guy, Maor Shlomo, he founded the company in January 2025 and in June 2025 he sold it for over $80 million to Wix.com, one of the largest website builders out there. And man, I wish I would be that smart. But I'm not. I can only just show you how it works, but I'm smart enough for that. So let's dive in and see what you can do with Base44. But first, before we start, you will find the link to Base44 here down in the description. It's a partner link, therefore you can sign up for free. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel to do more of these videos. So thank you a lot. Just click on it and it will bring you to this page. And here is the value proposition of Base44. Shape your ideas into apps that work your way. It's really crazy. It's like ChatGPT for building apps or even websites. And they call it a no-code app builder. I mean, you probably heard of Lovable, Replit, and of course Base44. I tried them all and I think Base44 is just the best. I started with actually this prompt here, a room visualizer. I just clicked on it and hit send. And it started building the app for me. This can take up to 1 or 2 minutes depending on your prompt, and it built me this room styler app. And it's just fascinating. So you can just hide the chat here and then you can scroll down and people can upload their own image here. For example, I uploaded a picture of our WeWork meeting room, and down here then the user can choose the style, how they want to change the room, for example Scandinavian, and they can give it a name, for example Office 1. And what type of room is it? It's an office. And you could potentially add an additional request, for example, add more plans, but I'm good for now. And then I can just click generate design. And now the AI is calling in large language model, for example, Google Gemini with Nano Banana 3. And the AI is now working on the picture and it will give me a result pretty soon. And you can see your design is ready. It is live and so quick. And it added this slider here. So this was the room before. And now it's in a Scandinavian look. And I don't know what to say. It's just perfect. It really did what I asked it for. And now this is a working app. And of course it didn't work right away, but I used a couple of prompts. So this was the first prompt. Then I had to fix it a little bit down here and give it a little bit more feedback. So for example, it didn't work. Give me a picture there, blah, blah, blah. And it took me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 prompts to develop the entire app. And if you're not blown away by now, I don't know what I can tell you. I think this is crazy because it just works. You just type in your prompt, or you can even, when you go back to the workspace, you can use also the microphone here and just speak to the AI what you want. And you can also upload your own images, files or videos, and the AI will use it in order to build your app. And then the best part, once you have built the app, then you can also create an own homepage for this. So I tried the same functionality for my homepage here. So I gave it a prompt, hey, I'm a YouTuber and I need a homepage for some of my tutorials. I gave it a picture of me and some links for my videos, and then it created this homepage for me. And even linked the videos here, and I also asked it to add a contact page and it did that, so people can contact me. It will be saved in the database or forwarded to my Gmail account, and down here you have the Google Maps section also. So you can build websites and you can build AI apps, so the opportunities here are kind of endless. And it has a lot of different integrations, so you can even integrate Stripe and start charging people for your app, and you can integrate Slack, Gmail, so it can also send out emails. You can connect LinkedIn, so it can do social posts for you, or TikTok, so it can push some TikTok posts out for you. And you also have the ability to have agents, so the app can also work as an agent on your own app, and it's just crazy. And you will also get a free domain on the builder plan for 1 year, and then you can connect your own domain and start really promoting your own app and start earning money, because with the Stripe integration you can earn money with that. And I don't know, I'm just blown away by the technology. I love it, and if you love it too, you can start trying it out here with a link in the description. Just click on it, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I also have some more videos for you on Base44. If you want a full tutorial, you can see it here, and see you in the next video. Have fun now with Base44.